Welcome to Type Flow, where I document my daily journey toward mastering touch typing and self-improvement. Today is day 5, and I'm excited to share how things went. I practiced for around 3 hours in total, and yes, it's a lot, but I made sure to take short breaks every 20 minutes to stretch and rest. It helps me stay focused and avoid burnout while keeping the momentum going. For the first time today, I noticed a bit of wrist pain while typing. It wasn't too intense, but it was noticeable enough to make me wonder, is this normal? Should I slow down or adjust my posture? If you've experienced this while typing, let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your advice on how to manage it or prevent it from getting worse. I'm learning as I go, and your input would be really helpful. On a brighter note, today I hit 35 words per minute several times. This is a huge improvement, and I'm thrilled because it shows that the past 4 days of hard work are starting to pay off. I'm feeling more confident with each passing day, and it's exciting to see the progress unfolding. I never expected to reach this speed so soon, but it's proof that consistent effort makes a difference. Even though I'm making progress with speed, I know there's still room for improvement in terms of accuracy and technique. If you've been following along, let me know if you think my form or typing rhythm has improved since day 1. Also, if you have any tips for managing wrist pain or maintaining good typing posture, please share them below. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel. I'm committed to posting daily updates, and your support really motivates me to keep pushing forward. If you know of any helpful typing resources or exercises, feel free to share them in the comments as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow for day 6. Let's keep improving together.